Does the feeling of satisfaction of making it back to the finals, third year in a row, does it change or does it feel the same?
It feels the same. Changes just a little bit. We expect to be here.
Do you have unfinished business against the Celtics in your mind?
I wouldn't call it that. Whichever team made it to the championship round, we would look forward to playing against and playing our best against. Of course, to win a championship. And we're in that position, and it feels great to be there.
What allowed you to get over the hump today to beat this very good Phoenix team?
It's defense, focus, communication. It got loud in there, but we kind of blocked the crowd out, and we talked to each other defensively. And when we did that, we were able to get stops and stretch that lead out.
You probably know Ron Artest better than anybody on the team. How proud are you of him, not only what he did last game, but the big career high he had today?
Yeah, but this was why I told him why he should come here and play basketball. Because since we were small, we always talked about playing basketball on the biggest stage. And being a Laker, playing in the Western Conference Finals, playing the finals against Boston, it's perhaps one of the biggest stages in basketball.
What's the biggest thing you want to get done between now and Thursday?
Just rest, get strong, focus, talk about what we need to do to beat a great team in Boston.
Last thing for you. They had kind of their way with you, beat you in 6 games in 2008. What do you need to do to get over the top against them?
It's funny when you talk about that series because, with a 24-point lead at home, we could change the complexion of that series. We can go up 2-2 with another game left to play at home. So what we need to do is take care of business. Is finish quarters, and finish games, value each possession, and then we'll give them a run for their money.